Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a password on your I-Gard command center. So let's get started by making sure we are on the home page and also that we are in admin mode. If you're not already there, go ahead and click the arrow at the top of the page and select admin. Now click settings on the left hand side. Now click user settings, and now you have the option to set password. Enter your desired password. I'm going to do 1234. Re-enter your password to make sure there is no typos or anything. Then you have the option to set a password hint. This can prompt you if for whatever reason you forget your password. You can do sequence. And now you can show your password to verify what you typed in. And when you're happy with it, you click change password at the bottom. Now, if I want to go from user to administration mode, I have to enter the password. I can show the hint. Enter 1234. And now I'm in admin mode. And that's all you have to do to set a password on your I-Gard command center. Thanks for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful. If you need any more assistance, please call 905-673-1553 and one of our technical support engineers will gladly assist. Also, visit www.i-gard.com and you'll find a ton of great resources online, including case studies, webinars, manuals, brochures, and much more. Thanks again for watching.